Jean-Claude Duvalier, he was brought into custody by the Haitian police, and he was brought to the courthouse in downtown Port-au-Prince. So Jean-Claude Duvalier is facing prosecution for economic crimes committed during his presidency between 1971 and 1986. Time obviously is running short for everyone. We have to keep up the pressure on the Haitian authorities to charge him, then start the investigation, and obviously give all the resources and the assistance that victims need to file complaints with the investigating judge, so he can actually create a comprehensive file with lots of evidence. Amnesty International, obviously, we do have many documents that have been as the result of the research that has been carried out between 71 and 86, and we're trying to get those documents from the archives and trying to make them public, and so they can also support the call for justice in Haiti.